So hello friends, welcome to the PowerShell playground. In today's video, we will check the CPU temperature via PowerShell. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a variable like thermal. Then we have to use get sim instance msa cpi underscore thermal thermal zone temperature. Then we have to define namespace is root oblique WMI, and then define error action is silently continue. Then I'm using if statement, if not thermal, then we have to define the condition like write host. You can type your message like I'm typing CPU temperature. Sensors are not exposed by your system. Like this is the message, and you can define the foreground color as well. Like I'm defining red here, and then if the message will come up, this message, then we will exit, and then I'm using for each like thermal in thermal. We have to start the script. First of all, we will convert Kelvin to Celsius. Then for that I'm using temperature C, and we have to convert like T dot current temperature divided by 10. We have to close this, and 273.15. Then I'm using another one like T temp C 9/5. We have to close this, then we have to use plus and 32. Now it's time to show the result. For that I'm using write host. First of all, I'm just entering a manual word like temperature, CPU temperature. You can define the foreground color as well, like I'm defining cyan. Then we will show the data. For that I'm using write host, and Celsius, 0 and 2. Temp C, and we have to close this. Okay, there is something wrong. Let me just check. Okay, we did not close this. So we have to close this as well. Then I'm using again right host 0 dot and 2. We have to close this. We have to close this, and then we use F and for the temp F, and we have to close this. So this is the script. Let me just run and show you the result. So we can see the results are here.